I don't know if you folks can see this or not, but we have a rotating funnel cloud. So the wind is going to pick up really bad, and the rain is going to get extremely heavy here very shortly. This will be the third one we've had in Maine in the past month. So for all you out there who never knew this, Maine does get tornadoes. They're just not that common, and they're not very powerful. This one appears to be kind of big. As you can see, it's coming across the screen. It hasn't quite touched down, but it's rotating. It's counterclockwise, and that's a clear indicator that a lot of people aren't aware of. Okay, here comes the wind. Jesus, you can feel the electricity in the air. That's bad. I'll be right back. I'm just going to upload this to my YouTube account so I can have a clear cam. Be right back.